Van life is freedom and flexibility. Robert Malden, and I'm from Sacramento, California. What brought us all the way down from Sacramento to Southern California in Santee is to get the Agile RIP kit installed on our brand new Airstream 19-foot coach. So years ago, many years ago, I used to have a Volkswagen Westphalia, the old pop tops. And I missed that so much, and just fun times up in you spent a lot of time in California, up in Sequoia National Forest, Kings Canyon, along the coast. The Westphalia was an awesome vehicle at the time. This was like 1978, so it was pretty fun, and just missed that. And it's been quite a while since I've been out on the road doing that type of camping. And my wife, Marcus, she just a few months ago, or at the beginning of the year, she goes, "Hey, we should go camping." And I'm like, "Oh, let's look at vans." Yeah, so that all led to the trip, and now van life just seemed the perfect, scenario for us to start camping again. And a few months later, we got us a new, really nice van. We wanted something small, agile, be able to get into parking spaces, drive up and down Pacific Coast Highway easily, park easily, do a little, we don't plan on doing tons of off-roading, but it's got the capability of doing that, especially with this new suspension we're putting on the rig. So we got it at the beginning of June of this year. Had been on order, we were kind of lucky, we'd been on order only 5 months rather than the year wait for most people. So we were pretty excited about that. And we knew from the beginning that the coaches, the Airstreams, are a great vehicle, but they come with stock suspensions. So Mercedes-Benz are very, smart engineers, and you think, why are they not making them strong enough? Well, they are strong when they're empty, right? So, and that's how you buy them. And they have no idea how much weight you're going to put in at the time, so they just kind of do a baseline for that, and then you have to upgrade. So we started researching early the best suspension upgrades available, and we dialed in, decided on Agile. The rig from Airstream came pretty standard with a lot of stuff. Obviously we're doing the RIP kit, the suspension upgrade. We plan on doing, you guys are also doing a smart shunt for our Victron lithium battery system. We're also going to be planning on doing some other upgrades. We're going to upgrade the tires from the stock tires eventually. We'll let these wear out, and some of the other upgrades we don't know yet. We don't know right now. You guys have a lot of nice toys here in the store, so we'll probably be back. Unfortunately, we got to head right back to Sacramento, so that's another 567 miles. But other than that, yes, next weekend or this coming weekend, heading back over to Bodega Bay in California. Love the area, love the central coast and northern coast of California, but we're right now we're in the early stages of planning a cross-country trip from California to Boston. Van life is freedom and flexibility, because with vans, what we're looking at is this is like our second home, right? And it's a mobile second home, so we can go anywhere we want, anytime we want. The van's ready to go. It's small. It's always packed. Just put the fresh, the food and water in it, and we're hitting the road. And we love this thing being fully outfitted with a full wet bath in it. So it's going to be really fun. We're looking forward to it for a lot more trips.